So there are cars here, small cars. I don't know these guys were going. Small car. Oh, tag war. Okay, break your car. Go ahead, break your car. Okay, break it. So many parts. At auto, rock auto. Oh my god. Uy, ganda na ng araw oh. Alam niyo ba, lalayas na naman ako. Dala ko na naman ang aking mga gamit. Radyo, camouflage, mga electronics, charger. At saka siyempre dadalhin ko ang aking kwan. Kasi may gira eh, mahirap na. Alam na this. Tatago lang muna natin dyan. Siyempre meron akong pang karaoke. Dahil siyempre, may special ang araw na to. Dahil lalabas ako. So, kita-kita na lang tayo sa bundok. Weekend talaga, pag Biyernes kayo bumiyahe talaga ganito talaga. Traffic. Tapos alas 2 pa naman, mag-alas 3. Ito yung peak hours. Wala na akong gagawin eh. Di lalabas ako. Kahit traffic. Dito muna ako sa parking lot at mag-shopping muna tayo dito sa Walmart bago tayo before we take off to the unplanned part 2 campsite or trail. So wherever is the place will do.
To Maple Ridge United Boulevard.
Exit 44 tayo to Coquitlam Center sa magbi-bridge siguro tayo, bridge. Maple Ridge. Straight lang tayo sa Maple Ridge, exit 44.
Use any lane to take the British Columbia 7B East Rail.
Siyempre ganito talaga pag may araw, gagala tayo. Ayan alam na this. Exit 44. Alam na. Gagala tayo. Punta tayo ng baka Stave Lake tayo ngayon. Ano kang itsura ng Stave Lake? Doon sa Mud Pit. Nasa bridge na naman ako. Ayan Di ba nakikita yung bridge? Pitt River Bridge pala ito. Yan. Siyempre mag-chinslin tayo. Dahil nalipad-baran na ako sa cargo na yan Kanina po yan Parang gusto niya akong isakay sa truck niya. Ayan Loko to Yan. Dito tayo ngayon. Siyempre overtake yung kinat ko. Ayan Ayun na siya. Laki-laki bakit ka na iyang mag-overtake? Mag-turn left ako dito sa dito sa Old Jodney Trunk Road sa Maple Ridge. Punta tayo doon. Pasok tayo doon sa left side. Sa bukid mga kaibigan, bukid na naman to. Sa 3-way stop magda-turn left tayo rito. Ayan bukid. Bukid. Nandito na ako. The gray is cloud. I mean, the cloud is gray again. And the wall is green. Pero pantay-pantay oh. Countryside tayo ulit, my friends. May mga tractor dito. Tractors, farm, plants, trees, everywhere. Dito. Magte-turn left. Hindi, diretso pa ako. Ayan o. Diretso pa pala ako, diretso pa. Yung dito yung mga gladiator, ano lang dito, pangbukid lang o. Ayan o, gladiator o. O, pambukid lang yan. O. Kung mayabang ka, yan o, may mga bahay dito. Ayan o. Solo-solo ka lang dito, wala kang kapitbahay. Mga hayop lang at saka mga berries ang katabi mo rito. Sa mga yan, mga truckers. Ito, mga little food stands. Yan o. Yan, may mansion pa. Hindi makita yung mansion. Pag farmer ka dito, maraming mansion dito. Yan o. Kabi-kabila niya dito, countryside dito. Ayan, diretso lang tayo. I fill up gasoline here. You know? Gasoline is 207.9. That's the regular right now. This gray. So I just put this at home, you know. This mini tiny awning where you can just pull towards here with two legs only. Yeah. So I'm now at Esso. Shell is like 1 cent difference only. So maybe after off-road you can go here for car wash. So we are close now to $60. 28 liters only. On the road, my friends. So I just only put 28 liter of gasoline out of $60. Truck over here, it's a pit truck, mud pit truck. Nice one with a big buffalo or bison horn on its front end. Maybe you have seen this already. A lot of weird trucks or vehicle here at the countryside. Kita ko yung vitamins ko. Ayun o, liquor store. Dadaan muna ako dyan, bili muna ako ng beer. Oh, may Toy Mortons pa. It's still light gray. So I just park here on my favorite store. Let's get inside. Inside. We can find some nice cool beer here. I'm going to sleep after this. Maybe over here some beer. That's cool. I think these are vodkas. Cheap, $19. $19 for 15. Maybe let's try this one. It's on sale. This one. This guy. Maybe is it a strong beer? This one on sale, 15 pack, $19.99. So, Budweiser. Lot of stuff here, you know. Okay, I have a room, but it will not fit. Did it fit? No, it fits. I have so many carrying. Wow, that's everything. My karaoke, shot glass, my lights, my radio, my water. That's it. Lock it and ready to go. So, let's go. Alright. Usual. Yun, dito na naman tayo. It's been a long time. I never been here. We are now here at Montinos. Very abundant of trees. Maple Ridge. So we are going to Stave Lake, as to remind you, at the mud pit. We will see if I could camp there or not. Otherwise, we'll go to Cogburn or go back home again. Okay, so we are now turning left to Borma, okay? Here, Borma. Right here. To Stave Lake. Okay, right here. This sharp curve here, we're gonna turn left from here. Alright? Make sure there is nothing there upcoming, then we go here. Alright, so this is my favorite spot. Alright, so this is called Stave West, Forest Recreation Area. Okay, you can't go wrong, okay? So, take note of that. You can Google, you can come here, you could do fishing, you can go all the way for off-roads, alright? So we will go all the way, okay? So today is Friday. As you can see, regular cars are coming here. No target shooting. Oh my goodness, why there's no target shooting? I want to target. I bring my target. Oh yeah, there is no target ko. Oh, so the road is very okay. Oh, very speedy truck. Oh my god, you crazy. Why? 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 So Rock Creek, Cyrus Lake, so many lake here. There's also boat launch here and boat trailer parking. Oh my goodness. Wait, Honda Civic, you fucker. So dusty now. Okay. So here to Stave Lake, just to let you know, the road is very soft road. Some fine road, some rough roads, but there's no potholes. There's so many trucks here, my friends. Sometimes trucks are very fast. See, another truck. Another truck, so careful driving down here because this road is very busy, as you can see. But mostly I saw are more like Fords, F-150, 250. So we're now on the right side, it's a small creek. Now it's drought. Okay, so we are very close now to our destination, my friend. This is the mud pit where people used to come in. Let's see what's inside there. Oh, there's a water, huh? Looks like water to me on my right side. So careful driving, don't drive too fast because so many trucks are coming here. And to turn on your fog lights. Another fast Dodge Ram. Okay. Yoo-hoo. Have to go right side here at the recreation. This is called the British Recreation Site. Camping permit is required, but I have no permit. I don't know if this is the right spot to go down there. I don't think so. This is the right one. So we are now at the stop sign. We have to go right down here. So we're just visiting the place. So guys, this will be open at 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. only, right? So we can check this out. How does it look like here? It's like this, just go around. Oh my goodness, some trucks over there. Let's just drive around here. I don't want to break my car. Let's fix this. Let's explore around. So what you can see here is like an open pit. You know? I don't know. Let's just check this out. You know? How does it look like? It's fun here. It's like a desert, huge desert. Okay. So there'll be so many people around the places. Okay. Some far-ender trucks. So there are cars here, small cars. I don't know these guys were going. Small car. Oh, tag of war. Okay, break your car. Go ahead, break your car. Okay, break it. So many parts. At auto, rock auto. So I will just go around somewhere, you know. Let's see. I'm just gonna get close with by the lake over there, you know. It's so bumpy here. Oh my goodness, very bumpy. So guys, I'm moving out from this mud pit. I don't like it here. It's so open. There's so many crazy drivers, and you cannot even maybe camp here, you know. It's like a huge desert place, you know. I need to go back to the main road, you know. I don't like it here. It's so quiet here, you know. I have to move out, my friends. Maybe I will go Cogburn Beach. You know, let's go to Gases Hot Spring. It's better. So we can stay there overnight. But not here. See you when I see you. My friends, I'm moving out. I don't like the place. And let's go to Abbotsford. Hot Spring. It's so bumpy here. I don't want it. Let's go out. Not much smoke. What you can see from here? Smoke. We're running 80. I'm back on the road, my friends. I'm heading back. I'm heading to Harrison Hot Spring. So I don't want to stay here at this open wide pit here, like a lake or something. You know. This road is weird here. So I mean, I see there's a lake here. This looks like there's a one-way or what? Ah, two-way. Okay, so I have to go sharp curve here, 20 kilometer. All right. So if you like some sceneries, my friend, join me on my trip. See?